Spamdexing. Spamdexing, also known as web spam and black hat SEO, is a set of practices aimed at manipulating search engine results and thus violating Google's webmaster guidelines. Spamdexing provides no value for searchers, which makes search engines actively fight web spam. Google's anti-spamdexing solution is called Spambrain. It helps them to keep more than 99% of searches spam-free. Spamdexing methods. Spamdexing methods can be divided into content spam and link spam. Content spam includes automatically generated content, including article spinning, thin content, cloaking, hidden text, doorway pages, scraped content, keyword stuffing, irrelevant keywords. Link spamdexing methods are private blog networks, PBNs, paid links, excessive guest blogging and link exchange, buying expired domains, user-generated links, forums, comments, etc. Website hacking, link injection. Should you use spamdexing? The short answer is no. Here at Ahrefs, we disapprove of any black hat SEO techniques. However, it's true that some spamdexing methods still work these days, especially in specific industries such as loans, gambling, adult, etc. Black hat SEO professionals are aware of the risks and know they can get a penalty from Google and their websites will be de-indexed. They'll just migrate to a new domain, it's part of their game. However, if you are serious about your website and want it to get steady organic search traffic in the long term, you should stay away from spamdexing.